Good morning everybody. I myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, and the SYBSc syllabus, SYBSc Choice Based Credit System syllabus is to be implemented from 220 to 221. This is the first year of CBCS syllabus. Today, I deliver a lecture on taxonomy of angiosperms, chapter 4th, botanical nomenclature. Name of the or title of the paper BO 231, taxonomy of angiosperms and plant ecology. This video lecture is only for educational purpose. Today, we will discuss botanical nomenclature of plants. First, chapter number 4, botanical nomenclature. This paper is carried 2 credit points. First, introduction of botanical nomenclature. Nomenclature is the naming of or scientific naming of object or organisms. The art of naming of object or organism is called nomenclature. What is the definition of nomenclature? Nomenclature is the science of naming objects or organisms. Or second definition, the art of naming of the objects or organisms is called a nomenclature. But our article is botanical or binomial nomenclature. The names are important because they establish the identity of the object. They establish the identity of the object or organisms. Why names are important? Why naming are important? Because the names are important because they establish the identity of objects or organisms. These naming are useful for communication. Example, when we mention the names of sunflower, we are able to communicate important information about sunflower plant, that is flower, stem, leaf, root, inflorescence or any other characters. The science of naming of plant, is called plant nomenclature or botanical nomenclature. The science of naming of the plants is called botanical nomenclature or plant nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature means there are two names of object or organisms, that is Mangifera indica. Mangifera is the generic name and indica is a specific name. Only two names of mango. Human being, there are trinomial nomenclature. Example, Dilip Shankar Patil. This is trinomenclature. K. Karunanan, K. Narayan, binomial nomenclature. But some names are not used for or not easy to communicate. The science of naming the plant is called plant nomenclature or botanical nomenclature. There is difference in names of plants, and where as each human being has separate individual names. Example, brinjal plants. All brinjal plants are named as brinjal, but in human being there are separate names. Example, Deepika, Ajay, Tukaram, Ojasvi, Priyanka. These are different names to individuals in human being, but plant there are not different names. Only mango. All mango plants named as mango. English name mango. All sitapal plants are named as custard apple or sitapal. Not individual name. Then plants are named as collective names, that is brinjal, mango, custard apple, mustard, maize, jawar, sugarcane, rice, wheat, rye, bajra. These are collective names of the plants. Then each tomato plant is collective name. Example, for example, tomato is collective name of all tomatoes. Next, each tomato plant is not individually named, or each brinjal plant is not individually named, or each mango plant is not individually named, but each human being or man is named individually. Plants occurs in particular region carry names in local language. Plants carry particular geographical regions in local language. But this is not correct, because this is confusion in the ICBN or in the meeting, great meeting, in international meeting. Therefore, there is need of for giving scientific name or binomial names. The early scientific names are used as or occurs in discussion in the ICBN Congress or meeting. They carried many words. Why plants needs scientific names of nomenclature? Because needs of scientific names of nomenclature. Why? A name is merely conventional symbol of names that serves means reference and the need for continue to use. The name must be unambiguous, only one, and universally. The name is universally, not confusion or not many names. Vernacular names are not available for all the species known to man. All the species of man in the garden, in the area, vernacular names are not known. But binomial names or botanical names are named. That is Annona squamosa, sitafal, Annona reticulata, ramphal, Mangifera indica, mango, Semicarpus anacardium, BB, Anacardium occidental, cashew nuts or kaju. Botanical names are universal. These names are universal. While common names are limited to a single language or to a particular geographical area. Sometimes one vernacular names are may be used to different taxa or plants or species, or one taxon may have different common names. Example, roses belongs to genus Rosa, woodrose belongs to the genus Ipomea, primrose belongs to the genus Primulia, oak to the genus Crocus, tan bark oak to the Lithocarpus, poison oak to Rus, Jerusalem oak to Chenopodium, and Centaurea to cornflower, blue bottle, bachelor's button, and regular robin. These are names, common names. That is oak. Common names, oak, that is rose, wood rose, primrose, oak, tan bark oak, poison bark oak, silver oak, Jerusalem oak. Silver oak is the common name of Grevillea. Then polynomial names. Next point, polynomial names. Polynomial names means Lachinis alpina linifolia multiflora per apple radical. This is the polynomial name. Which polynomial name? Lychnis, Lychnis, Lychnis alpina linifolia multiflora per apple radical. This name was applied to the Lychnis growing in mountains, alpine, that is Lychnis alpina. The linifolia having flax-like leaves or many leaves. Then multiflora have flower and large wood per ample, that is radical. The name is Lychnis alpina linifolia multiflora per apple radical, per ample, PERAMPLE. That is linifolia name, alpina names. Alpina names is mountain alpine, because this plant found in mountain alpine. Linifolia that is flax like many leaves. Multiflora, flowers, many flowers. Permeable radical, that is roots, that is roots or radicals. These are many names or polynames, polynomial names of plants like these. These names adopted by, these names accepted by Linnaeus, but they failed polynomial names. Then second example, Caryophyllum Saxatilis, Holus curmini, Umbellatus corims. This is another example of polynomial names. What is polynomial names? Lichnis is a polynomial names, Caryophylla polynomial names. It means Caryophyllum grows on rocks. It has grass-like leaves, umbellate corim types of inflorescences. These names are convenient to use and difficult to remember because they are very lengthy and long. This is the introduction, need and polynomial names of plants. Then history of botanical nomenclature. What is the history of botanical nomenclature? Caspar Bauhin in 1560 to 1633, a Swiss botanist conceived a useful idea of binomial nomenclature in two words, that is Mangifera indica. Carl Linnaeus in 1737 proposed a rule of or international rule of botanical nomenclature, who is called father of taxonomy. Linnaeus is called father of taxonomy. Linnaeus proposed a system called artificial systems of classification. They classified a plant kingdom or plants into 24 classes. Out of these 24 classes, 23 classes are algae, fungi, bryo, pterido, and 24th class is gymnosperm and angiosperm, that is seed bearing plants. Carl Linnaeus proposed a rule of botanical nomenclature and he called father of taxonomy. Then according to Linnaeus, the name of plant must consist of two components, that is generic name and specific name. Generic name written in first, then specific name and then authority of the plant or taxa. Linnaeus gave elaborate discussion of the binomial system in his book Species Plantarum, published in 1753. Then the Species Plantarum included in names of this Species Plantarum book included 1098 genera and 5,900 species in this book. Then Linnaeus proposed naming of plants in this book called Criteria Botanica in 1751 in his book Philosophia Botanica. This is the contributions of Linnaeus. Augustine de Candolle, Augustine or A.P.D. Candolle, Augustine de Candolle, A.D. Candolle gave detailed rule of botanical nomenclature according to rule or according to botanical rule in his book Theoria Elementaria Botanica. Botanica means khajina of plants. Botanic means khajina of plants, and the name of book is Theoria Elementaria Botanica. Alfonso de Candolle is the son of Augustine de Candolle, convened an assembly of botanica in several countries to present new rule of botanical nomenclature. Son of Augustine Candolle, A.P.D. Candolle, convened rule of botanical nomenclature and they discuss nomenclature in the meeting or in the congress. The first International Botanical Congress was held at Paris in 1867. In 1867, 1607 at Paris. Then meeting of International Botanical Congress held in 1892, 1905, 1907 and 1910. These years, international botanists or botanists of the world came together and discussed about the naming of plant or botanical or binomial of plant. The first botanical code of nomenclature, the first botanical code of nomenclature in general meeting aggregate and named as International Code of Botanical Nomenclature in 1930. The first botanical code of nomenclature came that Congress. ICBN first whole is come in 1930 in that Congress. This code is called International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This code is called International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, that is ICBN. International Botanical Congress means ICB, IBC, International Botanical Congress. There are many meetings held at different places in the world, that is Cambridge Code, Stockholm Code, Paris Code, Montreal Code, Edinburgh Code, Stanley Code, Leningrad Code, Sydney Code, Berlin Code and Tokyo Code in 1994. These are codes of botany or ICBN, and they discussed and studied about the plants and nomenclature of the plants. Then advantage using binomial nomenclature of the plants. What is the advantage and common advantage of binomial nomenclature or binomial plants in place of common names? In place of common names. Example, binomial names. Binomial names are universal. Common names are not universal. They are different from language to language and geographical area to another geographical area. Furnish information about genetic relationship. Botanical names furnish relationship about genetic relationship, but common names do not have or do not provide any such information, that is genetic information. Then binomial names or any economic important plants are common names, that is pine. Common names, that is pine, and pine is different names in or different names of different plants. Example, agathis, aracuria, casuarina, pinus. These plants are also called pine. But binomial nomenclature or botanical nomenclature useful for this, because botanical name of pine, Pinus is Pinus roxburghi, aracuria, agathis, casuarina equisetifolia. These are different names of pine plants. Then common name, flame of forest, Erythrina indica and Butea monosorma. These two plants are wild plants present in the forest. These two plants commonly called the flame of forest. That is binomial nomenclature of binomial plant or name is important. But common name, these two plants are one, that is flame of forest. Then particularly wild plants are universally accepted, because wild plants are not local or common names. They are only one botanical names. Then the binomial names are written in italics. The binomial names are written in italics, but common names are not written in italics. Binomial names are, when typed or printing, are underlined or in italics, and when handwriting it is underlined. Generic name, binomial names, that is generic name and specific names are separate. But in common names, there is only a single name. They are not underlined. They are not italics. Then example, Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica. Mangifera is the generic name and indica is the specific name. After generic name and specific name, there is authority or the plants who described or proposed, who discovered the plant, the name of the plant, Mangifera indica, then authority, that is the plant who described, who proposed, who written the plants, that is authority, L-I-N-N, Linnaeus or Linnaeus first described these plants and studied these plants. Hence, after generic and specific name, there is a authority is the compulsory. But in common names, there is no authority. There is no authority. Then binomial names are followed by authority. That is lien. Common names are not followed by authority. This is the video lecture for education purpose, and in SYBSE syllabus, this topic is introduction, concept and need of botanical nomenclature and polynomial nomenclature. Thank you. Thank you.